What's up, guys? I'm back with a video, man. How you guys doing, man? How you guys been? Guys, I have been ghost on the channel, guys. I have not been vlogging, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so give me a second. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna explain to you everything. All right, let's get it. So, guys, I just opened up the garage and let me show you guys something, man. You guys can see, look in the back. I no longer have the JETSKI, guys. What happened? I sold them both, guys. It's been about like 6-7 months. I think it's the last time I posted on my YouTube channel that I've had my ski. And guys, I had plans. I wanted to upgrade something that I wanted, guys. And I've always liked the Yamaha gp1800, guys. And I've been looking at some right now, you know what I'm saying? But I was looking online for pre-owned. Guys, they're expensive. So, like, you know what? Instead of going for something pre-owned, almost like the price of a new one, I'd rather just go get a new one and see if I can look to find one and go from there. So, guys, I'm sorry I clickbait you that I have the fastest gp1800 in the world, but stay tuned, stay watching, guys. Make sure you like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to your boy, man. Also, guys, I also do custom speaker pods for JETSKIs. I used to do it, but I haven't done it, so I'm back at that as well. And I want to go big with it, guys. I want to focus on being the best JETSKI speaker box builder, if that's how you say it. You know what I'm saying? You got the idea. So, guys, stay tuned, man, because I have a lot of good things coming for the channel, man. And hopefully, if you guys don't know JP Racing, spoke to him a few times. I might take a trip to his shop, guys, to vlog with him, meet him. He's a cool guy, and just get motivated again to get back in the scene and get things going, man. So, guys, make sure you like the video, comment down below, and subscribe, man. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell, man. Let's get it. I love you, man. See you on the other side. Yeah.